No. This one's blue. No. Maybe this one? No. So many colors.
Look, it's Sonic! What are you doing, Sonic?
Oh, hi, friends! I'm trying to guess the colors of these Play-Doh balls. If I can guess correctly the colors, we can open the Play-Doh ball and see the surprise inside.
Wow, that's fun! We can help you, Sonic!
Okay, let's go!
Okay, Sonic. Where's the blue ball?
That's easy. I'm blue, and this is the blue ball, here.
That's right, Sonic. Good job. Let's open the blue ball.
Good boy! It's time to be a hero! Super cat speed!
Where is the purple ball, Sonic?
Is it this one?
Haha, no.
Think, Sonic, think. Ah, it's this one! This is purple!
Yes, Sonic, it's purple! Woohoo! Minnie Mouse!
Hello! Oh my!
Sonic, now where's the red ball?
Which one is red? Think, Sonic, think! Here, this is the red ball!
Yeah, this is the red Play-Doh ball! Awesome, Sonic! Mickey Mouse! Oh boy! Awesome! Look, Sonic, now we have 1, 2, 3 Play-Doh balls left. Where is the yellow Play-Doh ball, Sonic?
Yellow! Where's yellow? It's... this one is yellow!
Yes, Sonic, this is yellow. Let's see the surprise inside the yellow Play-Doh ball.
Level!
Let's dig it! It's rubble on the double!
Look, Sonic, 1, 2. Where's the green ball?
Okay. Where is green? It's this one. This is a green ball.
Yeah, Sonic, you're right. This is green. Let's look inside the green ball. I'm Luigi number 1. Whoa, Mamma Mia! Wow, Luigi, have a fun. And the pink ball, Sonic?
This one is pink.
Yes, it's pink, Sonic. Yippee!
Guy! This puppy's gotta fly!
Yeah, we did it. We guessed all the colors. Thanks for the help. You are so cool. I gotta go fast. Bye.